In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Weavy AI with Seedance 2. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a still image, guide it with a clear prompt, and run it through Seedance 2 inside Weavy AI to generate compelling results. Start by opening Weavy AI in your browser and heading into the workspace. Once you're in, either create a new file to keep things tidy or open an existing project if you've already started experimenting. A clean, well-named file makes it easier to iterate and compare outcomes later. Next, add an image input to your canvas. This is where you'll drop the still image you want to work with. Seedance 2 shines with realistic AI images, product shots, character renders, and cinematic scenes. Choose an image with a clear subject, good lighting, and minimal clutter in the background. Higher resolution helps the model preserve detail, and strong subject separation makes the motion or transformation more readable. Now bring in a prompt component to your workflow. This prompt is your creative direction. Type a concise, descriptive instruction that covers the subject, the style or mood, and any motion or emphasis you want. For example, you might describe camera movement, lighting, or atmosphere. Keep it specific and visual. Short, focused phrases generally outperform long, rambling descriptions. If you're not getting what you want, adjust one element at a time, tone, lighting, or action, so you can trace what changed the output. Add Seedance 2 to the workflow. Think of it as the engine that interprets your prompt and brings your image to life in a coherent, visually pleasing way. Place it near your image input and prompt so the connections are easy to follow. Connect the image output to Seedance 2's image input. You should see the line snap into place, confirming the link. Then connect your prompt output to the model's prompt input. A tidy, clearly wired graph prevents errors and makes tuning faster. With everything connected, click Run Model. The process can take a moment depending on your settings and the complexity of your prompt. Watch for progress indicators, and once it finishes, review the result right in the workspace. If the motion or look isn't quite right, refine your prompt for clarity, swap in a cleaner source image, or slightly adjust your descriptive terms to better match the style you're aiming for. Small, deliberate tweaks typically yield the best improvements. That's the complete flow. Open your project, add an image, write a clear prompt, wire everything into Seedance 2, and run the model. Follow these guidelines and you'll get consistent, high-quality outputs you can confidently build on.